How to turn off location on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off location access for Facebook on your mobile device so it can no longer track your current location. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the menu section. Now here, once you are on the menu section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are under the settings and privacy, simply tap on the search bar at the top. And now here on the search field, simply search for permissions. And once you search for it, on the result page you can see the option labeled as device permission. So simply tap on view beside that option, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the device permissions options. From here you can simply scroll down, and there you can see the option labeled as location. So simply tap on see info beside that option, and once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Update Settings, and once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear again. From here, simply tap on Open Device Settings, and once you tap on it, you will be prompted to the App Settings section. From here, you simply have to scroll down, and there you can see the option labeled as App Permissions. So simply tap on that. And now here, inside the app permissions, you can see the option labeled location. So simply tap on it. And here, under the location permissions, you can see three options: allow only while using the app, ask every time, and don't allow. So here, simply tap on don't allow, and once you have done that, you have successfully turned off the location on Facebook. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.